Good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome to Gemsland Online School. We can be located at plot 15 Amadu Bello Close, Peace Court, Lokogoma, Abuja. Today, we're going to be learning all about the Earth and beyond and all the other planets. The Earth and beyond. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. So we have the 9 planets orbit the Sun. We have the Mercury, the Venus, the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Pluto has now been recognized as a dwarf planet, and so we use mnemonics to remember the planets in order, the planetary order. We have MVE, MJS, UNP. MVE, MJS, UNP. You can also come up with your own mnemonics to help you remember all the planets in order. So here is a very simple and useful mnemonic to help remember their order. My very easy method just shows us the name of planets. My very easy method just shows us the names of planets. Very easy and simple. But what do we know about the sun? The sun is 150 million kilometers away from us. It has a massive diameter of 1,393,000 kilometers, and our sun was probably formed from a large cloud of gas about 5,000 million years ago. The moon orbits the earth, and you see the movement now. You see it moving? The moon orbits the earth, and as the earth orbits the sun, and that's the movement. Fantastic. As the earth orbits around the sun, it also spins on its own axis, which is flipped like a globe. So that's it. You see it spinning on its own axis as well. So that's the earth spinning on its own axis. At any time, half of the earth faces the sun and therefore receives sunlight. This part is in day, and this part is in night. The other half faces away from the sun and so receives very little light. What causes the earth's seasons? Now, as the earth orbits the sun, that is revolves around the sun, when its axis tips towards the sun, the weather gets warmer. When it tips away, the weather gets colder, causing the earth seasons. In the northern hemisphere, spring is here, summer is here, is pointing towards the sun. On the other side of the world, it's about to set. That's Great Britain, and that's New Zealand. So when the sun rises in the Great Britain On the other side of the world, it's about to set in the morning and night. Now, with your partner, I want you to discuss these ideas about the moon. You can discuss with mom or dad or any adult at home. I think the moon is a light source. I think it keeps changing shape. It's some sort of a circle. Is it a sort of a cycle? Is it? Let's find out. I think the moon is a light source. Is it really a light source? I think it keeps changing shape. Does it really change shape? It's some sort of a cycle. Do you think it's a cycle? Why does the moon appear to change shape? It takes the moon 28 days to orbit the Earth. For 27 days out of this cycle, the sun cannot shine on the whole of the surface facing the Earth. The light from the sun can only shine on the whole surface for one night in each cycle, a full moon. On one night, no light from the sun can reach the moon at all, a new moon. Do you know how long it takes the Earth to spin round once? It takes 24 hours. Which direction the Earth turns? It turns anti-clockwise. How long it takes the Earth to orbit the Sun once? It takes 365 and a quarter days. Which direction the Earth orbits the Sun? It turns anti-clockwise. Did you know one day on Venus lasts 117 Earth days? Very long. Jupiter whips around in just 9 hours and 57 minutes to go around the sun. One day on Earth. Now explain to an adult or to your partner at home, how long does it take for the Earth? What is the sun? Thank you so much for listening.